Respiratory system. What is that? Respiratory system. Respiration nothing but, what is that? What is the respiration? What is the respiratory system? Respiration is nothing but exchanging of the gases from the lungs to environment to lungs, lungs to environment. That is known as a respiration. That is called respiration. What is the respiratory system? Respiratory tract along with respiratory organs are called as a respiratory system. Respiration is nothing but inhalation and exhalation of the gas are called as a respiration. That is one of the mechanism. Here, that is a respiration. Respiratory system is nothing but respiratory tract along with respiratory organs are called as a respiratory system. Just wait. Respiratory system. What is that? Respiration. So the respiration is a which process? Respiration is a which process? Respiration is a one of the catabolic process. What is that? What is the meaning of the catabolic? What is the anabolic? Difference in between of the two process. What is the catabolic process? Respiration is one of the catabolic process. Note down everyone. Respiration is one of the catabolic process. First one, respiration nothing but inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation or exhalation of the gases is called respiration. So respiration is a which process? Before the respiration, let's know respiratory system. What is the respiratory system? Already we are discussing. Respiratory tract along with respiratory organs, is called as a respiratory system. So the respiratory tract along with respiratory organs are called as a respiratory system. Yes, respiration. What is the respiration? First one, respiration is one of the catabolic process. What is the meaning of the catabolic process? So what is the meaning of the catabolic process? Catabolic nothing but utilization of the energy, nothing but breakdowning of the glucose and converts into energy. That is called as a catabolic process. That is called a catabolic process. What is the catabolic? Breakdowning of energy and breakdowning of the glucose and converts into energy. What is the catabolic process? Nothing but breakdown of glucose converts into energy. Glucose and converts into energy. Which form? The energy is available in which form? ATP in form. Energy is available in ATP in form. So if you take the respiration, inhalation and exhalation, both processes are there. If they take the inhalation, so some amount of the energy is utilizing. So the utilizing of the energy, when the actioning of utilization, so the some amount of the water also releasing, carbon dioxide along with water, like this. What is the glucose? C6H12O6. This is known as a glucose. Okay, so we are utilizing some amount of the oxygen, C6H12 in O6 in this glucose. C6H12O6, 6 carbon dioxide, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. 6 carbon dioxide, 6 oxygen, 12 hydrogens are there. We are utilizing only 1 mole of the oxygen. The releasing of water along with carbon dioxide. Water nothing but sweat. And some amount of the carbon dioxide. So in this process, there is occurs in where it is there is in terrestrial condition. This process occurs. The organisms are there in terrestrial land area. So the catabolic process will be occurs. Okay. So this is known as a catabolic process. So in the respiratory system in amphibians, there is a 4 different type of respirations are there is in shown by the amphibian. How many? 4 different type of respiration. What are they? First one, gills respiration in larva. Second one is cutaneous respiration or subcutaneous respiration or skin respiration. Second one. Third one is buccopharyngeal respiration. The fourth one is pulmonary respiration or lungs respiration. The amphibian, the respiratory system in amphibia, listen carefully. Amphibian, there is a respiration. Respiration takes place, can be classified into 4 types. Respiration is classified into 4 types based on their habitation. Very, very important. The respiration is classified, how many types? Classified into 4 types based on their habitation. Based on their habitation. First one is gills respiration. Second one is subcutaneous or cutaneous or skin respiration. Second one. The third one is buccopharyngeal respiration. Fourth one is pulmonary respiration. The pulmonary respiration is nothing but lungs respiration. Respirations are there. Now we are discussing and each and every types of respiration in detail. Clear? So what is that? Before we are discussing, first we are discussing what is the respiratory tract and what is the respiratory organs are there. Before we are starting, we are discussing the respiratory tract and respiratory system. This is a complete detailed information. This is a complete, very, very important, very complete detailed information. First one, respiratory tract. First one, the amphibia is there is in a land region, land surface or what is that? Terrestrial region. So first one is respiration through the snout. One of the opening, only one opening, nozzle opening, snout. One opening. The gases are enters into the buccal cavity. Yes or no? Buccal cavity. If you are there in inhalation, these are enters into the buccal cavity region. Buccal cavity to pharynx region. If they are getting oxygen, the below of the pharynx, below of the buccal cavity will be extend like a bulb in the amphibian. This is one of the special respiratory extension in amphibian. If they are taking the oxygen, the pharynx, the buccal region also will be extend like this. So this is an amphibia. So if it is there opening, this take the oxygen, the pharynx will become extends. Nothing but it is storage of some amount of the oxygen in the below of the buccal cavity, in between of the buccal cavity and pharynx region. So some of the extensions like a bulbous like spot, it is useful for the storage of the oxygen. So buccal cavity to buccal pharynx region, buccal and pharynx region to larynx. Pharynx region is complete. Next one, larynx. What is the larynx? Larynx is nothing but producing of sound box or voice box. What we are discussing? Only respiratory tract. Next one, what is that? Larynx leads into what is that? Bronchi. How many 2 branchies are there? So 2 branchies are leads into, these are 2 branchies. These are branchies. 2 branchies are leads into lungs. These are known as the lungs. So this is known as a respiratory tract. Lungs are, a pair of lungs are called as a respiratory organs. That is known as a lungs. Respiratory organs are lungs. And respiratory tract is, this one is respiratory tract. Next one, it is an aquatic in condition. It is where there is an aquatic in condition. So the respiratory tract, nothing but skin respiration, skin to gills are, skin to, what is that, blood to various parts of the body. Clear? So this is the information about the respiratory tract and respiratory